The Vivo X200 Mini is a compact yet powerful 5G smartphone that combines advanced technology with a sleek design. Released in October 2024, it offers a range of high-end features suitable for various user needs, design, and display dimensions. 1508 x 718 x 8. 2mm weight, 187 grams, build glass front with an aluminum alloy frame, display, 31-inch LTPO AMOLED resolution, 1216 x 2640 pixels, refresh rate, 120 Hz, brightness, up to 4500 nits peak brightness. Durability, IP68. IP69 dust and water resistance, up to 15 meters for 30 minutes. Performance. Operating system, Android 15 with Origin OS 5. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity 9400, 3 nms. CPU, octa-core configuration. GPU, Immortalis G925. Memory options, 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage, 16 GB RAM with 512 GB or 1 TB storage. Type, UFS 40 cameras. Rear cameras, 50MP wide lens with f1, 6 aperture PDAF, and OIS 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, PDAF, and OIS 50MP ultra-wide lens with autofocus. Front camera, 32MP ultra-wide lens. Video recording, supports 4K at 30, 60 FPS and 1080p at various frame rates, equipped with gyro EIS and HDR capabilities, battery and charging. Battery capacity, 5700 mAh wired. Charging, 90W fast charging. Wireless charging, 30W reverse charging, supported connectivity and other features. SIM, dual nano SIM support, network support. Comprehensive 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G band compatibility Wi-Fi. Supports Wi-Fi, 802.11 ABG-NAX 67. Dual band Bluetooth, version 5. 4 with A2DP, LE, aptX HD, and LHDC5 NFC. Available audio, stereo speakers Laxa 3. 5mm headphone jack sensors. In-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass. Pricing and availability. Colors, black, white, green, and pink. Price, approximately €610. The Vivo X200 Mini is designed for users seeking a high-performance device in a compact form factor, offering robust specifications and a premium build quality. For a visual overview, you can watch the following video.